It's Josh from Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. If you're getting this email in your inbox, you might be like, Josh, who? I know it's been a while. My bad. Here's the thing though. While it's been a while since I've been in your inbox, I've now been in real estate for over 18 years. I've had Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management, our brokerage, now for over 11 years. And Ruth, our property manager, everybody's just like, she's the absolute best we've ever worked with. I can't take credit for that, unfortunately. Well, she's been doing it for over 30 years herself. So here's the deal. If you have a property and you're tired of chasing tenants around, trying to follow up with rents, if you're tired of trying to take care of repairs and getting calls in the middle of the night, I can keep going. That's what we're here for. All right, we are completely online. We're completely automated. Your rents get paid online. Your maintenance requests, your reports are all there online. We have our own handyman company, so we can definitely save you money on repairs as well. So if you're interested, please reach out to Ruth. Her number is below, her email is below, or feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to talk with you. And it's nice to see you. I'll definitely be seeing you more in the future. Have a great day.